What's up guys, it's Ryan from RPS Dent Repair. Here at one of our lots, taking care of a brand new Honda Civic with a little bit of hail damage and a really big smashed quarter. Here's one of our guys, Shane, working on the hail damage hood, getting some of these little pea-size hail out of the hood and getting it taken care of. Pretty good smash here. Wheel lips in a little bit. Shouldn't be a problem for us. One thing with being a mobile tech, it makes it super difficult here on the Northeast. We're in Maryland, and the cold weather just makes it super difficult to do these repairs. You know, it's cold out here. You don't have much inside space on a used car lot, so just have to push through it, dress warm. I mean, you see Shane wearing a heavy jacket. You've got to do it. You're just gonna freeze out here. So just a little update on daily, you know, with the weather change here in Maryland. We'll go from 100 degrees to 50 degrees to, I think it's 28 degrees today. So that's what happens when you're a mobile tech here and out here in the field. Alright guys, just finished with this Honda Civic quarter panel. It was a little stretched over the wheel well. Honda has that concaved lip to a lot of their new Hondas. But it turned out really good. So check out the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.